Hi everyone, thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another review. This is a watercolor palette that I purchased off of Amazon, and it has, I love that illustration, it's really pretty. Little parrot there, and there's 36 colors. There is a chart right here with some corresponding numbers. And the name of this brand is called Pretty Excellent. And there's their logo, that cute little parrot. I love this mint green. It's a tin, and then it has the little hook on the back where you can, hang on to it. And then you open it up. There's a little bit of information. Again, this is written in a different language, but yeah. Okay, so we'll put that off on the side, but it does provide, or like I said, there's your 36 colors here, and then there's some numbers, and then on the back, it'll actually say like lemon yellow, the cadmium yellow, yellow, orange, blah, 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 okay? So you can make your own chart, or you can use what's here. And then again, that is nice, because then you can slip it back in here and take it with you. There's a couple little areas here for mixing. And it does come with a little water pen brush. See. Ooh, that's nice and soft. It's pretty standard. There we go. And let's see, there's some plastic on here. There we go. And this set is very affordable. It was $20, and then depending, like if you have Prime, it could be free shipping, so that will, depend on where you're from or what country you live in. So again, $20, not that bad. Really cute case. Again, it's the tin. It has the hook on the back. And let's get to the swatches. And overall here, I think that the colors came out really nice. Most of them are very bright and vivid. I know it's going to be a little hard to see on the camera here, like some of these look like close, but you can definitely tell a difference in person. And some of the greens. I think maybe just that Hooker's green was a tiny bit streaky. That was about it. And the browns were a little close, but again, this is definitely Great for a starter kit as well. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick review, and be sure to stay tuned for more.